मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज हम सॉल्व करेंगे क्लास 11th बायो प्लांट किंगडम के 150 MCQs। फर्स्ट, द स्टडी ऑफ प्लांट इज कॉल्ड ए जूलॉजी, बी बॉटनी, सी इकोलॉजी, डी जेनेटिक्स। आंसर इज बी बॉटनी। सेकेंड, प्लांट किंगडम बिलोंग्स टू ए मोनेरा, बी प्रोटिस्टा, सी प्लांटे, डी फंजाई। आंसर इज सी प्लांटे। C. Chlorophyll is found in A. Animal, B. Plants, C. Fungi, D. Bacteria. Answer is B. Plants. 4. Cell wall is made of A. Protein, B. Cellulose, C. Lipid, D. Glycogen. Answer is B. Cellulose. 5. Algae are mostly terrestrial, aquatic, parasitic, saprophytic. Answer is B. Aquatic. 6. Bryophytes are called A. Seed plants, B. Amphibians of plant kingdom, C. Flowering plants, D. Algae. Answer है B. Amphibians of plant kingdom. Bryophytes को amphibians of plant kingdom बोलते हैं। 7. Pteridophytes reproduce by A. Seed, B. Spores, C. Fruits, D. Flowers. Answer is B. Spores. 8. Xylem transports A. Food, B. Water, C. Hormones, D. Oxygen. Answer is B. Water. 9. Phloem transport A. Water, B. Food, C. Mineral, D. Carbon dioxide. Answer is B. Food. Gymnosperm have A. Fruit, B. Naked seed, C. Flowers, D. Spores. Answer is B. Naked seeds. 11. Angiosperms are non-flowering, B. Flowering plants, C. Algae, D. Fungi. Answer is B. Flowering plants. 12. Example of bryophytes A. Fern, B. Markensia, C. Pinus, D. Mango. Answer is B. Markensia. 13. Example of pteridophyte A. Fernaria, B. Fern, C. Cycas, D. Wheat. Answer is B. Fern. 14. Dominant phase in bryophytes A. Saprophyte, B. Gametophyte, C. Seed, D. Fruit. Answer is B. Gametophyte. 15. Dominant phase in angiosperm A. Gametophyte, B. Sporophyte, C. Spore, D. Zygote. Answer is sporophyte. 16. Algae belongs to A. Bryophyta, B. Thallophyta, C. Pteridophyta, D. Gymnosperm. Answer is B. Thallophyta. 17. Fern belongs to A. Algae, B. Bryophyte, C. Pteridophytes, D. Gymnosperm. Answer is C. Pteridophytes. 18. Moss is algae, B. Bryophyte, C. Pteridophyte, D. Gymnosperm. Answer is B. Bryophyte. 19. Seedless vascular plants are A. Algae, B. Bryophytes, C. Pteridophytes, D. Angiosperm. Answer is C. Pteridophytes. B. Gymnosperm produce A. Fruits, B. Naked seed, C. Flower, D. Spores. Answer is B. Naked seed. 21. Example of gymnosperm A. Mango, B. Pinus, C. Rose, D. Wheat. Answer is B. Pinus. 22. Angiosperm's seeds are A. Naked, B. Covered, C. Spores, D. None. Answer is B. Covered. 23. Reproduction in algae is only sexual, only asexual, C. Both sexual and asexual, D. None. Answer is C. Both sexual and asexual. 24. Vascular tissue first appeared in A. Algae, B. Bryophytes, C. Pteridophytes, D. Fungi. Answer is C. Pteridophytes. 25. True roots absent in bryophytes, B. Pteridophytes, C. Gymnosperm, D. Angiosperm. Answer is A. Bryophyte. 26. Photosynthesis occurs in A. Chloroplast, B. Nucleus, C. Ribosome, D. Vacuole. Answer is A. Chloroplast. 27. Chlorophyll is present in A. Mitochondria, B. Chloroplast, C. Ribosome, D. Nucleus. Answer is B. Chloroplast. 28. Cell wall provides A. Movement, B. Protection, C. Digestion, D. Respiration. Answer is B. Protection. 29. Water transport tissue A. Phloem, B. Xylem, C. Cambium, D. Cortex. Answer is B. Xylem. 30. Food transport tissue. A. Xylem. B. Phloem. C. Stomata. D. Epidermis. Answer is B. Phloem. 31. Bryophytes depend on water for fertilization. A. True. B. False. C. Sometimes. D. Never. Answer is A. True. 32. Pteridophytes are vascular but seedless. A. True. B. False. C. Only algae. D. Only fungi. A. True. 33. Algae are autotrophic. A. True. B. False. C. Parasite. D. Saprophyte. Answer is A. True. 34. Funaria is a fern. B. Moss. C. Cycas. D. Mango. Answer is B. Moss. Cycas belongs to A. Angiosperm. B. Gymnosperm. C. Bryophyte. D. Algae. Answer is B. Gymnosperm. 36. Mango is Gymnosperm. B. Angiosperm. C. Algae. D. Bryophyte. Answer is B. Angiosperm. Seeds are enclosed in fruit in A. Gymnosperm. B. Angiosperm. C. Bryophyte. D. Algae. Answer is D. Answer is B. Angiosperm. 38. Saprophyte produce A. Gamete. B. Spores. C. Seeds. D. Fruits. Answer is B. Spores. 39. Gametophyte produces A. Spores. B. Gametes. C. Seeds. D. Fruits. Answer is B. Gametes. 40. Alternation of generation occurs in plants. B. Animal. C. Fungi. D. Bacteria. Answer is A. Plants. 51. Which plants show alteration of generation? A. Only algae. B. Only bryophytes. C. All plants. D. Only angiosperm. Answer is C. All plants. 52. Which is simplest plant group? A. Bryophytes. B. Algae. C. Pteridophyte. D. Gymnosperm. Answer is B. Algae. 53. Chloroplast is absent in A. Algae. B. Bryophytes. C. Fungi. D. Pteridophytes. Answer is C. Fungi. 54. Which is called vascular cryptogames? Answer A. Option is A. Algae. B. Bryophytes. C. Pteridophytes. D. Gymnosperm. Answer is C. Pteridophytes. 55. Which plant group has dominant saprophyte? A. Bryophytes. B. Pteridophytes. C. Algae. D. All. Answer is B. Pteridophytes. 56. 56. Which is bryophyte? A. Rickettsia. B. Pinus. C. Mango. D. Fern. Answer is Rickettsia. 57. Which algae is unicellular? A. Spirogyra. C. Volvox. C. Ulna. D. Laminaria. Answer is B. Volvox. 58. Which pigment gives brown color? A. Chlorophyll. B. Carotene. C. Fucoxanthin. D. Xanthophyll. Answer is C. Fucoxanthin. 59. Which plant has rhizoids? A. Fern. B. Moss. C. Mango. D. Pine. Answer is B. Moss. 60. Which is gymnosperm? A. Wheat. B. Mango. C. Cycas. D. Rice. Answer is C. Cycas. 61. Which group produce seeds inside fruit? A. Gymnosperm. B. Angiosperm. C. Bryophytes. D. Algae. Answer is B. Angiosperm. 62. Which is dominant phase in bryophytes? A. Sporophyte. B. Gametophyte. C. Zygote. D. Seed. Answer is B. Gametophyte. Which plant is thalloid? A. Mango. B. Rickettsia. C. Fern. D. Pine. Answer is B. Rickettsia. 64. Which is green algae? A. Fucus. B. Laminaria. C. Chlamydomonas. Or D. Giladium. Answer is C. Chlamydomonas. 65. Which group is first land plant? A. Algae. B. Bryophytes. C. Gymnosperm. D. Angiosperm. Answer is B. Bryophytes. 66. Which plant lacks vascular tissue? A. Fern. B. Moss. C. Pine. D. Mango. Answer is B. Moss. 67. Which is seedless vascular plant? A. Cycas. B. Fern. C. Mango. D. Mustard. Answer is B. Fern. 68. Which have chlorophyll A and B? A. Brown algae. B. Red algae. C. Green algae. D. Blue algae. Answer is B. Red algae. 69. Which plant has true roots? A. Bryophytes. B. Pteridophytes. C. Algae. D. Fungi. Answer is B. Pteridophytes. 70. Which group has flowers? A. Bryophytes. B. Gymnosperm. C. Angiosperm. D. Algae. Answer is C. Angiosperm.